Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my combo to Best Day of My Life by American authors. This is about a beginner level dance, a little bit of a faster beginner dance. So enjoy. If you have not yet watched the short that I posted earlier this week, where I do this dance with music, you can first learn the dance in this video and then find the link to my short in my description box below. And if you don't know some of the steps in this video or in this combo, you can find a link to my Tap Step Tutorials playlist linked below in my description box. And any step that you don't know in the combo, you can go ahead and find on that playlist, learn it, and then come back to finish learning the dance. So a lot of information in my description box, but let's go ahead and get started learning the dance here. So we're going to start with dig toe, almost like a grapevine, but we're not going to actually be traveling behind. So we're going to go dig toe on the right foot, and then step heel left is going to come over to right, step heel, and then dig toe on the right foot again, and then two tips on the left. Okay, and that's just a straight 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and it's a straight eighth notes. So on the right foot again, we're going to go dig toe, step heel, dig toe, two tips behind with the left. Give that another try a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig toe. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And if ever I'm going over something too fast, just remember that you can slow the video down, rewind, and pause so that you can learn at your own speed. So once we finish with our two tips on the left, we're going to go back and do the same thing on the left side. Dig toe, step heel, dig toe, tip, tip on the left this time. So we have left, step heel, left, tip, tip. Okay? So 2 times, right, left. Once we finish on the left side with the right tip, tip, left side, right, double toe, we're going to go 2 paradiddles, right, left. We're going to go 1, 2, and then we're going to do a paradiddle with 2 shuffles in the middle. So we're going to go dig, spank, and then 2 shuffles, shuffle, shuffle, step, heel, all on the right side. Okay? So it's almost like an 8 count paradiddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Except usually I call an 8 count paradiddle something a little bit different, but it's almost an 8 count paradiddle. So from the top again, we have dig toe, step heel, dig toe, 2 tips on the left, back to the left, 2 tips on the right, paradiddle for 2, and then an 8 count paradiddle, 2 shuffles, step heel. Okay, now we're going to repeat that whole thing starting on the left side. So dig step is happening on the left foot now. Dig toe, step heel, dig toe, tips, back right, tips. And now we're going to start our paradiddles on the left foot. 2 paradiddles left, right. And then that number 8 paradiddle, or the paradiddle with the 2 shuffles, is now on the left. Dig, spank, shuffle, shuffle, step, heel. Okay, let's put the 2 together, right side into left side. So moderate tempo, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have dig toe, 2 tips back to left, 2 paradiddles, and dig, spank, shuffle, shuffle, now left. 2 paradiddles, paradiddle with 2 shuffles. Nice. From here, right foot's free to go right after we ended that step heel. We're going to do 3 single time steps starting with the right foot, right, left, right. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. On here, we finished flap step. We're going to drop that right heel and drag our left foot around. And that's going to go for 4 counts. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. and then we're going to use that left foot going forward. So the time steps are right, left, right. One more on the right. Heel drop and drag for 4. Okay, from here, 3 buffaloes on the left foot. So 3 on the left, buffalo 1, 2, 3, and then a cramp roll left. And we're gonna pop our left foot back up because then we're gonna jump straight back into the buffaloes again right after that cramp roll. Buffalo left again for 3, 2, 1, cramp roll left again. Okay. So from the top again, we have dig toe, step heel, dig toe, tips, left, paradiddle for 2, paradiddle with shuffles, back on the left side, and right, paradiddle for 2, paradiddle with 2 shuffles, time step for 3, last one, heel drop, drag, drag, buffalo, here we go. Last one, cramp roll left, and again buffalo, 2, 3, cramp roll. Nice. From here, we're going to go into some Irishes. So after the cramp roll, we popped our left foot back up, and Irishes are going to start on the left foot. We're going to do 3 of them, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, and on these we're moving forward, which means we're stepping in front of ourselves. And then on the right side, we're going to do a shuffle ball change to switch sides. So shuffle ball change on the right. And now we're going to do 3 Irishes going backward, which means that you're going to step behind yourself on these ones. So starting on the right foot now, Irish for 3, behind, and then shuffle ball change. And that's how I ended this dance. You won't be able to tell as well that I'm stepping behind on the Irishes because I just don't have much space. But if you have more space than I do, you can make it a little bit more obvious whether you're going forward or backward. Okay, from the top, I'm going to talk us through it, saying the steps as we go. First time through, and then second time through, I'm not going to say the steps. We're just going to run it through up to tempo, and then you'll be ready to do the dance with music. All right, like I said, it's a fast beginner. So from the top again, almost up to tempo, and I'm going to say the steps. So dig toe, starting on the right foot. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go, dig toe, 2 tips, back to the left, paradiddle for 2, paradiddle with shuffles, back to left, and right, paradiddle for 2, paradiddle 2 shuffles, time step for 3, last one, drag, 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 buffalo, here we go, last one, cramp roll, buffalo again, Irish for 3, shuffle ball change, back on the right, last one, shuffle ball change. Nicely done, good job. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. I'm not gonna say the steps this time. This is a run through for doing it with music. Here we go. From the top, up to speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. Good job. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song or step suggestion, go ahead and put it in the comments section below, and I'll try to get to those as soon as possible. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.